Guys, so today I will be making a gingerbread house cake. Well, not making it, eating it. Since it's past Christmas and I haven't made a video in a long time. Yeah. So let's open it right now. Yeah. Okay, so people are running around the house. Just gotta get this sticky thing off. Okay, so I might need some scissors. So, right there. Okay, so let me just cut open this, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, let's come on. Okay, look. So then you take that out. Fresh gingerbread. Okay, so we have some bubble wrap. Some bubble wrap, yeah. Okay, so these are all the gingerbreads. These are all the pieces. And let's get the candy out. So I'm guessing this is the icing. Yeah, this is the icing. Feels like the icing. This one's a popcorn. This is the gluten bag, I think, that you squirt the icing out or something, I guess. So then we have some candy. Those dots, yeah. Dots. And then we have, what is this? This is probably, I don't know. It has to be something. Those, yeah, those squishy little things. And then we have, last but not least, some hard candy. Yay! And there. Clean box. Let's set that down. So I think you put this on here or something. I guess you spread all that stuff off. Okay. I think we need our own square, but I don't have one right now, so I'll figure it out. So let's open up some candy. Let me get a bowl. Because I'm gonna have a delight. Delight. So here's my bowl. Let's open these little balls up. Okay. So here we go. I need some scissors. No, I don't want to eat plastic. Yeah. Let me just taste one. Hard. Very hard. Let's open this ginger. Well, let's open that. I'm gonna put a few of these in because they're hard. No, that's trash. They're hard. This is an eating delight. So use it. Feel these. Each color one. Last. still also not raising gingerbread. Let's see, so alcohol, yeah, there we go. There we go. You want to, but now put where I got this from. Ew. So let's so like these two for the front and the back, and then these two for the side, and these two for the big. Yeah. Alright, so it would look like this, and then put those in front, and put that on top. Okay, but right now we just, how am I gonna break this up? I might use my hammer. I don't know what I should eat. Hands or this. I'm just gonna tap it. It's rough. It's rough. It's rough. There we go. So I got that piece. Let me just break some more of this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, free. Can't even see where I broke it. I know, it's so beautiful. Broke it that easy. How? Okay, so 2 pieces is good for right now. Let me just put this back right there. Slide this back here. Okay, so I'm wondering how I got icing. This fun, delicious icing. Let's try and scoop this down. Please don't get nice on my scissors. Okay. Okay, let's see. Ooh. This is my snack for the day. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's see if this don't work any better. It's just like 7. Get this anymore. We'll do that last. Cutting a bigger hole with the scissors. Oh, jeez. Please don't get any icing on my scissors. I don't know. Actually, not. Let's go. Do it. Okay, it's enough for right now. Sticks to the bowl. Okay, so I have a Delight. So let me just stick some of this on it. Stick some of these on it. So I'll show you what it looks like after I I finished this thing, and then okay. Hey guys, so I just forgot I had right when I was about to say my good speech. Pretty bad. Okay. I have sprinkles. Okay. Okay. Oh, let's put this. Wait. Oh, I forgot to open this. What is this anyway?
You rolled your eyes at me? You closed and turned your head? That's the same thing. You want me to show you? That's what you did.
That's so disgusting.
You rolled your eyes at me?
Never get this. Here are my sprinkles. Let me just pull the camera down a little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna do one in my next video too. Oh, a little bit too much. Okay, so. Okay, so let's try the delight. You could try this at home too. Just get your parents' permission. I don't get my parents' permission. Okay. Very good. When I get to this part, it's gonna be hard. Not exactly like gingerbread house, but pretty bad. But still, probably gonna be safe for later. I'm gonna put it in a bag. So I can shove it. That was even right there. So let me just.
Get me your bit.
You have some milk in your lunch box while you're at school, and it gets all over your sandwich. That's why you use Ziploc. Zoop. It protects all your stuff. Ziploc commercial. Okay, so put this back on. Make sure it doesn't get on my delight. Okay.
I just had a hunch and then I pressed on something.
That's alright. See you again, we. Potatoes and gravy. So guys, that's going to be the end of my video. I will see you guys later. Oh, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ikonakalashi. Na 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 na. It's the biggest. Bye bye. See you guys later. Until next time.